Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to clear your WhatsApp storage space. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Is WhatsApp taking up too much storage space on your mobile device? Watch this full video to learn how to review and clear out your WhatsApp data. To begin, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Then tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Select Storage and Data. Then tap Manage Storage. From there you will find a menu that breaks down how much storage space your WhatsApp data is using. And below you will find which specific media items and chats are taking up the most space. Under Review and Delete Items, tap larger than 5 MB to see the biggest data hogging videos and photos. Go through this list, and review which ones you want to keep, and which ones you want to delete. To select several items to erase, tap Select in the top right corner. Then tap each item you would like to delete. You can also tap Select All at the bottom, if you want to remove everything. When you are done selecting items, tap the trash can icon in the bottom right corner. From the confirmation menu, tap Delete Items. Once that's done, go back. Now you will see the bar at the top of the page, showing the new and reduced amount of storage that's being used by your WhatsApp data. So that's all the things you need to know about clearing WhatsApp storage space. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.